Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is again just a couple of quick flip throughs. As requested, I have a flip through here of the Art Nouveau books by Art Mill. I know there's a few of these out, but I have these two. I have bird designs and plant and animal designs. So we'll start with the bird one. They're the usual size Amazon print book, so Amazon paper. Bear with me, there we go. Copyright 2020. This shows some of the other books that were out at the time. So there's a insect designs, floral designs and sea life designs also out. You get 30 hand-drawn designs and 5 bonus designs included in case you like to have a second go, so I think you get 5 reprints. Right, let's get into it. Love this one. Really like a bordered page, you know how I feel about that. Single-sided, so you've got to take your markers. I like this one. Oh, and that one actually. And this one. Okay, there's a few I like. Is that a phoenix? Looks like a phoenix. Right, bonus pages. Yeah, so you just get a second copy of some of those designs in the back, in case you want to use a different media on them. Brings us to the back, and that is the bird designs book. These are matte covers, not glossy. And then the other one I have is the plant and animal designs version. Get into that one. Well, I've got a feeling you're getting the wrong flip through. Do we feel like they have printed me the Sea Life book? Oh, let's see. Looks like it. Okay, so what you're actually getting is a flip through of their Sea Life designs. Oh, no, I would be wrong. So what they've done is the plant and animal, maybe it's a selection of their other books. Fascinating insects. We'll let them off. We will let them off. Thought they'd pulled an Amazon on me there. Oh, I love this one. Graceful birds. Oh, I love it. So this is like a bit of everything. Yeah, because that's from the bird book and that. So this is kind of a bit of a collection. Yeah, remember that one. Okay, glorious flowers. So maybe this is a little bit of a best of. Obviously, I don't have the other books to be able to compare that to. But I think this is kind of a, if you wanted to get a few bits and pieces of their books. A couple of bonus pages again, so you're getting a couple of recopies. Looks like they've done a couple from each section. Yeah. Oh, threw me right off. Did not realise it was a collection. Let's see if it says anything. about that. Okay, the illustrations include graceful birds, butterflies, fish and other animals, as well as delicate flowers, intertwined vines and other plant life. Doesn't really say. Let's have a little look. Divided into 4 themes: sea life, insects, birds and flowers. So it doesn't actually say that it's books for pages from the other books, and yet if we go to our bird section, getting a double flip through here now. So the birds section, and we go back to our other book. Do we have the same page, or are they just similar? Okay, yeah, the first page of my birds book. Another page of my birds book. This turned into a different video, didn't it? I do believe they should tell you when they're doing something like that though. Right, yeah, it's in the birds book. I saw this, I know this is in here. Let's see. That one's in here. I don't remember that one. Have we got an original? No, that one is also in here, as is this one. And then we move on to the flowers. So obviously I can't speak for the other books, but it actually seems like what they've done here is taken pages from their other books. So if you have all the others, you maybe don't need plant and animal designs, or if you don't have any, maybe plant and animal designs is the one for you, and it gives you a few pages from all 4 of their books to play with. I wish they'd, you know, I wish they'd put it somewhere, you know, that it says it. I don't know whether it said on the listing. So maybe when you go and have a look at this, click the link below, maybe it says in the listing that this is a, you know, a conglomeration of the other books and they haven't been naughty about it. But that is Art Nouveau Plant and Animal Designs, which seems to be a collection of their other books, and Art Nouveau Bird Designs by Art Mill. Sorry about that, guys. A bit of an all over the place video, but I hope you found that useful. Obviously I'd rather you knew that before you purchased anything, so you're being able to buy something with all the knowledge you need. And thank you very much for watching the video. I've lost my language now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.